Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to EduHunt video lecture series. మనం ఆల్రెడీ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్స్ని స్టార్ట్ చేసుకున్నాము. యాజ్ అ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ సెన్సరీ సిస్టమ్ ఫస్ట్ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్ దట్ ఈస్ ఐ. ఐ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఐ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ స్ట్రక్చర్, ఇంటర్నల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ and how we are able to see different objects, that is working of eye, and various defects associated with vision, that is working of eye. అలాగే మనం కొన్ని బిట్స్ని కూడా ఆన్సర్ చేసాము. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొన్ని ఆన్సర్ చేద్దాం. క్యావిటీ ఆఫ్ aqueous humor is, మనం ఐబాల్లో అక్వియస్ హ్యూమర్, విట్రియస్ హ్యూమర్ కూడా చూసాము. ఫ్లూయిడ్ సబ్స్టెన్స్ ఇన్ ద ఐ బాల్. ఈ ఫ్లూయిడ్ ఇచ్చే ప్రెషర్ వల్ల ఐ బాల్ స్పెరికల్గా ఉంటుంది, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ కొలాప్స్. క్యావిటీ ఆఫ్ అక్వియస్ హ్యూమర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బిట్వీన్ choroid, sclerotic, in front of lens, none of these. It is, answer is between the choroid and sclerotic. So this is the answer, choroid and sclerotic. Hadarian glands are absent in. Hadarian glands are a kind of glands present in eye of some mammals, but these are not found in human and rabbit. Ikkada option 3లో హ్యూమన్ అండ్ ర్యాబిట్ అన్నారు. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ హ్యూమన్ అండ్ ర్యాబిట్. విజన్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాగ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బైనాక్యులర్ విజన్ అండ్ మోనాక్యులర్ విజన్. రెండు రకాల విజన్స్ని కూడా ఫ్రాగ్లో ఉంటాయి. సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ బోత్ మోనాక్యులర్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ బైనాక్యులర్ విజన్స్ ఆర్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఇన్ ఫ్రాగ్. The eye defect, astigmatism, can be corrected by using astigmatism ante blur, semi blur vision. Blur ante completely blur avagunda semi blur. For example, if there is a what we call checks, if there are checks like a graph, only some of the lines like vertical lines they can be seen clearly, but the horizontal lines may be blur, or sometimes horizontal are clear but the vertical may be blur. So this kind of vision is called astigmatism, and it can be corrected by using cylindrical lens, because convex lens is used to correct hypermetropia, and concave lens can be used in myopia case where short sightedness or near sightedness is seen. But this is astigmatism lo aithe blur vision, semi blur vision and cylindrical lens use chesi itvanti defect ni correct chestamu. In frog, eyes are myopic on land, yes. Hypermetropic in water, it is also correct. Bulging eyes, yes. All the three options are correct. That is why option 4 is correct, because all these are applicable to frog eye. In frog's eye, the sclerotic is made up of, not only in frogs, the sclerotic is made up of fibrous connective tissue, because sclerotic is the part of the first tunic. We know that eyeball is covered by 3 tunics. Fibrous tunic is the first one, next is the vascular tunic, and neurosensory tunic is the last tunic. So the first tunic that consists of, that is made up of connective tissue, fibrous connective tissue. It consists of cornea and sclerotic. So fibrous connective tissue is the right option. Largest eyes with body surface area amongst vertebrates found in elephant, deer, horse, man. It is a horse. Supporting cells of organ of Carti are Dieter's cells, rod cells, Hense's cells, all the above. So mucoprotein which found in vitreous humor is, mucoprotein found in vitreous humor is the vitrin. Vitrin is a mucoprotein. It is found in vitreous humor. Which of the following in rabbit's eyes is responsible for frictionless blinking? మనం కళ్ళు ఇలా ఆర్పేటప్పుడు అంటే when we move our eyelids, we can move them freely without any friction, without causing any friction we can move because of presence of some secretions of the glands present in the inner layer of the eyelids. Let us check whether the answer is there. Meibomian glands are the glands which secrete oily secretions. These secretions favor the movement of eyeballs without causing any friction. Which of the following glands are found in majority of mammals associated with their eyes? Eyes lo unde various glands, Hadrian glands and Meibomian glands, lacrimal and this is sudoriferous. These are present in on skin. Lacrimal and Meibomian glands, Hadrian and lacrimal. So the third option, lacrimal and Meibomian glands. Conjunctiva of eye is derived from epidermis. It is derived from epidermis. What is meant by conjunctiva? Conjunctiva is a translucent layer in the layer of the eyeball. Supporting cells of retina, Dieter's cells, Muller cells, Hensen's cells, amacrine cells. Muller cells are the supporting cells of the retina. Meiosis in eye refers to, it is not meiosis or mitosis. Meiosis, meiosis, that is the cell, a kind of cell division, but it is a meiosis in eye refers to reduction in diameter of pupil, increased diameter of pupil, reduction division in retina, shrinkage of eyeball. It is a case where associated with eyeball because there occur some changes in the eyeball. So it is associated with the reduction in the diameter of the pupil. Answer is reduction in the diameter of the pupil. It is called the meiosis. When the diameter of the pupil reduces, only a few amount of light can be received by the receptor cells or it can pass through the pupil. Stye is present due to the infection of Hadrian gland, Meibomian gland, gland of Say's, G's, lacrimal gland. It is the Meibomian gland whose secretions also lead to the stye of eye. Cornea transplant in humans in almost never rejected. It is almost never rejected. This is because మనం ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్ చేసుకున్నట్టు కార్నియా ఈజ్ లేయర్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ట్యూనిక్, దట్ ఈస్ ఫైబ్రస్ ట్యూనిక్. దీనికి ఎలాంటి వాస్క్యులర్ సప్లై, బ్లడ్ సప్లై ఉండదు కాబట్టి కార్నియా ట్రాన్స్ప్లాంటేషన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ 99% సక్సెస్ఫుల్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ it has no blood supply. This is the answer. Maximum refraction of light takes place at cornea. Which of the following nerve supplies for organ of corti? It is the cochlear vitreous humor is a colloid substance present in the eye. It is we haven't discussed yet. It is related to ear. We will see later that question. It is also ear. The vitreous humor, a jelly-like substance which is found in posterior part of. Posterior part lo undedi. Anterior part lo aqueous humor, posterior part lo vitreous humor. ఈ రెండు మనం చూస్తాం. It is present in the part of eye. Eye లో ఉంటాయి. Only rods are present in the eyes of one of the following animals. Owl, because this is a nocturnal animal, that is why rods are present. Only rods are present. When the intensity of light is very low, during night the light is detected by rods. The receptors found in the muscles, tendons and joints. So it is. So with this we have finished answering the questions related to sense organ. First sense organ, that is eye. తర్వాత సెషన్లో మనం నెక్స్ట్ సెన్స్ ఆర్గాన్ అయిన ఇయర్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఇప్పటి వరకు చేసిన వాటిలో చాలా వరకు మీకు ఆన్సర్స్ వచ్చేసాయి అనుకుంటున్నాను. కాన్సెప్ట్ని చదివేసి ఆన్సర్ చెయ్యండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.